Hey guys, so when you go to classroom.google.com, you will be asked to sign in with your Google email. There will be an account here where you will see your district email. Go ahead and log in with your district email. Type in your password, which should be 00 and your lunch number. When you log in, you will see all the classes you have joined. When you click on your reading class, it looks like this when you pull it up. Streaming will show the news feed. This is where I'll post links to our Zoom conference meetings. And classwork tab up here, you'll click that and you can see all the classwork assignments that I assigned. If you click on view your work here, you will see all the assignments that I assigned. And if you have anything missing, that'll come up here. It'll also have your grades shown with an overall average in Google Classroom. And that is it.